right, back with another taste test today. Rise and Puffs Pizza Margherita. It's a quesadilla made like a pizza. Let's get into it. On the back, we've got some instructions which explain 3 different methods of cooking this and 2 different states of the item that it could be in. Let me explain. The 3 different methods are in a pan, in an air fryer, or in a microwave. And you can cook this from a refrigerated state or from a frozen state. Today, we're gonna use the pan method. So when you open it up, you've got the tortilla. Also, you've got this little sleeve. If you're using the microwave method, that crisps it up. We got ourselves a little cheese leak there, but I think we are ready. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let it cool there for a second, but this looks pretty good. We could call this crispy tiger striping. I mean, if we want to really think about it as pizza. Nice and crispy on the outside. Cheese pull time. Let's see how that goes. Not expecting a huge cheese pull, but you know, you never know. All right. I mean, that's cheesy enough. That's good. I mean, that's pretty pizza-y, right? Okay, here's the thing that stood out immediately. The sauce is actually pretty excellent. Like, it's got that like New York City slice sauce taste, which I very much appreciate. Surprising, actually. The deal with this Rise and Puff is that the tortillas are like a couple ingredients, like not a lot of stuff in the tortillas, and they're sort of raw almost. So the pan frying and the microwaving, it cooks the tortilla, so you're kind of eating a super fresh tortilla. This is wild. I mean, this really tastes like eating a piece of pizza. I'm very impressed with this. Now granted, it's not eating a piece of pizza, but we're getting pretty close. So let's do a rating for the Rise and Puff Margherita Pizza Quesadilla. To remind you guys, there's 4 categories in the rating. The bottom is off the list. The second is men's amends. The third is killer. And the top is outrageous. I'm gonna have to give this outrageous. I mean, and if you look at it like this, it's kind of like a piece of pizza. Yeah, that is outrageous. I can't get enough of this.